Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download IBM Cloud CLI for Kubernetes deployments step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the IBM Cloud CLI download page. Press Enter to navigate to the website. Once on the page, locate the section for downloading IBM Cloud CLI. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Click on the download link to initiate the download. Wait for the download to complete. After the download finishes, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. If you are using Windows, double-click the installer to follow the on-screen instructions to install the CLI on your system. For Mac OS, open the terminal. Navigate to the folder containing the downloaded file. Use the appropriate command to install the CLI. On Linux, open your terminal and use the specified commands to install. After the installation is complete, confirm the installation by typing imcloudv in the CLI. Press Enter to execute the command. You should see the version number of the IBM Cloud CLI displayed. Now you are ready to configure the CLI for Kubernetes deployments. Type imcloud login in the terminal. Follow the prompts to enter your IBM Cloud credentials. Once logged in, you can set up your Kubernetes cluster with ease. You have successfully downloaded and installed the IBM Cloud CLI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.